Vinoba, written by Alm Tennyson. In this biography, to see what about Vinoba, the writer tells up here. Already I told you Vinoba's whole story. Now we go to study Vinoba's life story in detail. In the first paragraph, any morning at 4 o'clock, you can see him and his companions trudging from village to village under a twilight sky. Here, it means that before 4 o'clock, they got up and ready to go to visit village to village. 4 o'clock. You can see, it means we could see them and his companions trudging from village to village. Trudging, walking from village to village, moving from village to village, or going from village to village under a twilight sky. It means of that in the twilight, it means time of evening or a day begins to get dark. In the dark time, in the dark. Behind lemurs, a covered ox cart. It means what he moved, beyond of him, many friends of him, movers, supporters, covered ox cart. And it is not until you look inside his cart you realize that Vinoba is leading a new kind of pilgrims. In that, we realize that in that cart what it has. Not he was sitting in that cart, he was going. In that cart, his belongings, that is of files, who are the landlords to give their lands to the Vinoba. The cart contains, he tells up here, the cart contains articles not usually indulged in by Indian ascetics. The cart contains of the articles, that is a files, not a enjoyed or possessed things. Not a enjoyed or possessed things. Indulged means of enjoyed or possessed. Among the bundles of bedding, there are typewriters, stationery, and filing cabinets. Some shelves are there in the cart. In that, files are there, typewriting machines are there. It means typewriters, stationery materials in that cart belonging. For the cart is a mobile office of a machine. That is a machine, it means a moment. Their moment. In that cart, a mobile office of machine, which in 2 years has collected no less than 1 million acres of land. How much land got from the landlords through up his Bodhana movement or gift mission of land? How he conveyed the people. That was a great work for him. Because to give their land to the landless people, it is not easy task. Today what a 1 square foot of land, what is the value? In a 4 square foot of land, the people go to fight and die. Nowadays. But in those days, who were the landlords? They gave their land to the society for good work. We learned, we studied. Of here, who were the landlords to give their land to the society. Best example today what? Take the example of here, Vijayapura, BLD, the whole campus of area belonged to Bangarama Sajjan. She was given for education. To see of here in Muddebihala, MGVC Arts College, VBC High School and others, that was given by great woman Gangamma to give the land for education, for charity, for education of children. What in that of days? Here children suffer from the education. Students, that was fulfilled by our great Amma Gangamma. She provided to the people. That is Bhudana movement. Nowadays, we have to calculate. You are a money minded, but in those days, charity minded, help minded. Those people are there. So you can see up here in 2 years, less than 1 million acres of land as free gifts for landless peasants. If it reaches its targets, his target was that 50 million. The mission will have achieved the largest peaceful revolution in history. To see up here, this is not a simple task. It is one of the revolution, the largest revolution. There is no deaths, there is no fights, quarrels, or other things. Only peaceful, largest revolution moment by the Vinoba. The remaining to see next class. Thank you.